Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today I'm going to show you how to do nail art only with two nail paints. We are going to make ombre nail design. So let's get started. So keep this nail paint aside. Then take one sponge. You can use any sponge. I'm using this old one because I didn't find a new one right now. So you can use this kind of paper or any old card, because we don't need to mess up. And if you do this directly on your table, so your table is going to get some stain, so don't forget to use this kind of card. Now apply any PVA glue on your cuticles with the help of any brush like this. If you have liquid latex, so you can apply it too. So now let it dry. So now these three fingers are dry, but our index finger is still wet. So while we are going to do this nail art, the glue present on index finger will going to be dry. Anam and her struggle. So struggling is really important while filming videos. Finally, so apply this nail paint on sponge like this. I don't know what color it is. I think this one is dark pink or maroon or purple. I'm confused which color is this, but the color is really pretty. Now apply black color. Now dab this sponge on your nails. Done, ta-da! Now repeat this process on your remaining fingers. Now remove the glue which we applied when we started, and clean your cuticles with any nail paint remover or acetone. So you can use this kind of nail paint remover which you can find easily, or you can use acetone. Dip your cotton bud in acetone and clean your cuticles gently. Now finish this nail art with any top coat. It's done, Tata. Beautiful, isn't it? I hope you enjoy this video. If you, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoy this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you want, so you can share this video with your family and friends. I'm going to meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.